How to edit or turn off red notification dots on Facebook. So if you want to edit or turn off red notification dots on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down again and you will find notifications option. So you need to tap on notifications. After tapping on notifications, now here you may have an option of notification dots. But if you don't find the notification dots option, then you just need simply go and turn off your notifications, which will turn off the red notification dots on Facebook. Or you can also go with settings, and under settings you need to go with notification dots, and after searching for notification dots you may find the option of notification dots. You can go and turn it off, or go with device permission, tap on view, which is on the right side, and here also you can turn it off. Or you can tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with the app info, and here if you go with notifications, here you may have allow dot badges. So you need to go and turn off allow dot badges. Just scroll down and then find the allow dot badges option, which is here on the bottom of your screen. Turn it off, and that's it. That's how you can turn off red notification dots on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.